There is no better location for income property than this. 2 blocks west of Main Street, just north of 39th Avenue, and on a Cul De Sac. Invest with confidence in the CB Construction, 2x2/1 units with 900 square feet each in very good condition. It is very low maintenance, and it has not had a vacancy in over 20 years. Excellent schools include Foster, Westwood and Eastside High. Close to all commercial amenities, businesses, parks and recreational facilities. This seller is motivated now, but hurry before she changes her mind.